Happy birthday! So, it's your birthday once again. Alam ko, August 9 ang birthday mo. I can't, really forget that. Kasi every time na nag-birthday ka, nung nandito ka dito, naghahanda si Mami lagi. There's a lot of food sa table. So, happy birthday, Teng, and God bless you more. So, on this birthday of yours, hindi pwedeng hindi ako magsalita, no? I think it's your late 20s or baka 30s na nga eh. 30th birthday or late 20s birthday. So, yung pangalan mong May Darlene, derive yan doon sa pangalan ni Lola Magdalena, no? So, in English namin ni mama mo yung Magdalena into Magdalene. So, your mom wants a name that rhymes with Lola's name. Kaya ka naging May Darlene. Magdalene, May Darlene. So, nagra-rhyme. Pareho din yan kay Ate Yeye mo. Magdalena, Madeleine. So, love na love ng mami mo ang Lola Magdalena. So, kaya dyan nag-derive ang mga pangalan nyo. Tandang-tanda ko yan because your mom always seek my assistance dyan sa paghanap ng pangalan. Okay? So, FYI, nung bata ka, I really admire you nung nag-nursery ka na, nag-grade 1 ka na, elementary, you really excel in mathematics. So, niyayabang ni mama mo yan. At nakikita ko yung mga test papers mo. Galing-galing mo sa mathematics. That's one thing na nag-recall sa mind ko ngayon na itong batang to talagang magaling sa mathematics. At pinatunayan mo pa yan sa akin when you pass the examination sa Quezon City Science High School, no? So that's one of the best high schools in the Philippines or sa buong Quezon City, no? Dalawa kayo ng ate mo na nag-aaral sa magandang eskwelahan. Si Ate Yeye sa Holy Family naman. That's an exclusive school for girls. So, mapalad kayo, napag-aral kayo ng parents nyo dyan, ang Daddy Bernie, ang Mami Lorna nyo. So, nagsikap sila para mataguyod kayo. No? So, si daddy mo, nag-abroad yan, si mama mo, kahit sa pag-nurse. And, para lang makaraos. Ramdam ko yan because we live in the same compound, no? So, masaya tayo sa compound natin. We share foods, we share laughters. So, okay naman. Hanggang lumaki ka pa ng maging teenager, naging love mo ang football. No? So, I can still remember na pag may game ka sa malaking field, nandyan ang mama mo to support, nagda-drive siya, hatid sundo ka. So, gusto ko man suportahan ka dyan. I was then too busy with my work. So, nakikita ko naman na well supported ka ng mama mo, no? And then, nung lumaki ka na, tapos nag-abroad na kayo, nag-migrate na kayo dyan sa Canada. I think it's 2011, no? Siguro you just finished high school together with Ate Yeye. So, nandyan na kayo sa Canada. Dahil na alam kong matalino kang bata, binulungan kita noon na magpayaman ka dyan sa Canada, have a lot of savings, and alam ko naman na mararating mo yun, no? So, itong birthday mo, itong 30th birthday mo, siguro nga 30th, time flies. Tumatanda na rin ang Tito Bob mo. So, magsi-senior na ako this November. God's willing na magkikita-kita pa tayo ng maraming beses. And alam ko, narinig ko rin na it's gonna be your wedding So, best wishes, congratulations kay Terence. Terence, aalagaan mo si Teteng because I love Teteng very much. She's still my Teteng, she's still my little Teteng nung araw, no? So, we usually play around with Teteng every time na may okasyon sa bahay para sa mga bata. Yan si Teteng, makikitaan mo talaga ng drive yan kahit nung bata pa. Sa mga parlor games, gusto niya lagi siyang panalo. So, gusto niya lagi siyang nag-excel. So, may drive talaga. No? So, Teteng, keep that attitude. Kahit may edad ka na or adult ka na, pagbutihin mo ang buhay. Now that you will have parents soon. So, mabuhay kayong dalawa. So, magpakabait kayo. And I know naman parents nung dumalaw sila sa bahay or dumalaw kayo sa bahay nung last vacation ninyo. So, I've known or nakilala ko si Terence na courteous naman siya, magalang. So, good catch ka. Anyways, okay, so kakasal ka na. I may not be there in person, but surely I will be in spirit para sa iyong special day. So, happy birthday, Teteng. And God bless. Best wishes. Magmahalan kayong dalawa ng kapatid mo, ng pamilya. Mag-iingat kayo at malayo kayo, Canada. How I wish we could be, malapit lang tayo, katulad sa family compound natin. Halos sama-sama tayo every time. So, we miss that and we miss you. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. God bless. I love you, Teteng. Happy birthday. Best wishes. Bye.
Happy birthday, Teteng! Congratulations! I love you!
Birthday, Meg! Congratulations! Wish you and I love you!
Hey, happy birthday!
Congratulations!
Congratulations!
Wish you!
Miss you!
Love you!
I love you!
Hey, happy birthday! Congratulations! I love you! I miss you! Babay, papasok na ako!
Good morning, May. Do you remember your Ninang Tess or Tita Tek? First of all, happy birthday and God bless. Welcome to your despedida de soltera on Saturday. Thank you. I'm happy for you. God bless. Regards. Congratulations and best wishes. Regards to all of you, especially the Mendoza family. Thank you.
Hi, May. So happy for you. Cheers to love, laughter, and happily ever after. Kuya loves you so much. Remember that. Okay?
Happy birthday! Congratulations! I love you! Oh, bye! Ayun po.
Bigyan nyo ka ng gift!
Hi, May. You still remember me? Yeah, I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I wish you all the best and good health. I hope to see you soon. Bye.
papa mo. Ayun, niloko nila akong kisoy. Kaya, gusto lang kitang batiin ng nalalapit na kaarawan at nalalapit na isang dibdib sa iyong mga pangasawa. Naway, ikay, gabayan din Panginoon ni Lord na mabiyayaan ng suplin yung mapapangasawa. Birthday and best wishes for your wedding. This is your Kuya Kaloy Tisoy. Okay? Just remember me. Play, play. Day. Happy birthday.
Hi, TG and May. Congratulations. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Madanggit. Happy birthday, May. We wish you all the best. Shout out ako dyan sa mga anak ko, sa akong mga apo. Chinky, Jube, Dino, Delbrail and Christian and Alisa, and Laluling. I miss you all. I love you. Bye.
Hi, Kuya TJ and May. Congratulations to both of you. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Madanggit. And
Also, happy birthday to Ate May. And shout out to all people out there.
shout out to Manang Jinky, Manang Juby, and Kuya Dino.
And shout out to Kuya Christian and Ate Alisa and Kuya Bibi and Ate Krisha and Ate
Ate
Lala.
Lalang. Miss you. Love you guys.
Hello everyone! Happy birthday Ate May and congratulations sa soon-to-be Mr. and Miss TJ Madanggit.
ug shoutout po nila ni Kuya TJ, Kuya Bibi, Kuya Christian, Ate Lalang, Ate May, Ate Trisha, ug Ate Alisa.
We wish you a very pleasant and enjoyable day everyone. Bye!
Hello guys! Congratulations on your wedding, TJ and May. Best wishes.
Happy
Happy birthday, May.
Happy birthday,
Wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Ate May.
We love you guys.
Love you.
Bye. God
Bye. God
bless.
bless.
Hello! Kay Terence and May, congratulations to both of you. Wish you all the luck and happy birthday, May. Many more birthdays to come. God bless po sa inyong dalawa. Kita-kits soon.
What's up guys? Kamusta kayo? First, gusto ko muna umatiin sa inyo ng happy birthday. Wishing you a day filled with joy and all your favorite things. Sana masaya sa surprise nila sa iyo at na-surprise ka. And syempre, malapit na wedding nyo. Can't wait for you to be part of our super crazy family. Pero sana wag ka ma-stress. Okay lang ma-excite, but just enjoy lang. And to Bebe TJ, always take care of May and congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Huwag rin ma-stress, chill lang kayo guys. Since malamig naman dyan, sana makabalik na ako dyan at makapag-snowboard na tayo. Pohon at amping lang. Yun lang guys, see you. Bye-bye.
Hi TJ and May. Happy wedding sa inyong dalawa. Sana maging masaya at magmamahalan kayo araw-araw kahit wala na yung papa nyo. Alam ko na masaya siya ngayon dahil nahanap mo na yung taong tunay nagmamahal sa'yo. Know that your papa is always watching you from above. Again, happy wedding and happy birthday, May.
Hello, TG and May.
Happy wedding and congratulations. Ang masabi ko lang sa inyo na sana tuloy-tuloy ang inyong pagmamahalan. Magkaunawaan kayo sa isa't isa. Kung mayroon man kayong problema, sana pag-usapan nyo. Yun lang ang masabi ko. Kay May, happy birthday. And wish ko lang sa iyo, sana bigyan ka ng mahabang buhay. At ang wish ko rin, sana mahalin mo si TJ habang buhay at alagaan mo. And God bless. Yun lang. Ay, shout out pala kay Delbryle. Be, ingatan mo yung sarili, Be. And baka naman sa sunod, ikaw na naman ikakasal. Ang wish ko, sana dito naman sa Pinas i-held ang kasal mo para maka-attend naman ang tita mo at saka tito, mga friends. Yun lang. God bless.
Magandang birthday sa inyong kasal, TJ and May. Naway matatag ang inyong samahan, puno ng respeto, pag-unawa, at walang hanggang pagmamahal. Sana ilagay niyo si God sa sentro sa inyong pagsasamahan. Masaya kaming lahat sa inyong desisyon na magkasal na. Shout out ni DB, Delbryle at saka sa inyong ina nga si Jinky. Shout out sa inyong lahat yan.
Na?
Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Sending love and best wishes on your wedding day. Happy birthday, May.
Hi, Kuya TJ. I wish you and best wishes sa inyong dalawa pala ni May. Ay, happy birthday pala sa bikaring wife mo. Ang sasabi ko lang sa inyong dalawa, maging siyempre masaya palagi ang pagsasama, bawal mag-away. Siyempre normal naman yan, pero siyempre may pagsubok lamang yan. Sana naman, huwag mo kami kalimutan. Na-miss na kita talaga, TJ. In the long time, nabalitaan ko mag-aasawa ka na pala. Siyempre, masaya si Tita Chika. Naalala kita nung bata ka pa. At saka sorry, sorry sa inyong dalawa na naging, yung mula nung si Papa, yung Papa mo na wala, na miss, na hindi na tayo, wala na tayong communication, pero ngayon lumitaw pa rin ang natin. At salamat naman, binigyan nyo ako ng time na mag-talk para sa reading day nyo. Enjoy! I love you! And good luck to your day. Bye! Miss you all!
Hi, Kuya TJ and Ate May. First of all, I just want to congratulate on your wedding day. And, come on.
Hi TJ and May. Congratulations and welcome to the married life. And I wish, my wish for you both happy ending, love, and more blessings and more babies to come.
And I pray your marriage is filled with love, laughter, and God's blessing every single day. May you continue to choose love no matter what life brings. I hope to meet you soon.
Yes.
Congratulations on your wedding day. Happy birthday pala kay May. Masasabi ko lang sa inyo, pagtibayan ang pagmamahalan niyo till death do us part. At saka shout out pala kay Baby Delbryle. I miss you and I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys! Happy wedding! Happy wedding! best wishes po. Happy birthday, Ate May!
Happy birthday, Ate May! Sana kayo na forever lovers.
Happy birthday, May!
Bye! Dapat yun na! Bye-bye! Hi guys, again. Hi guys!
Hi, guys!
Kuya, balita ko dito ka daw naglalaro dati. Yes. Dito sa may, doon sa putikan. Doon tayo naglalaro ng putik! Pati ng damuhan.
Naka-shorts lang ako.
O kasi galing po kaming bahay. Nag-greet lang kami kasi nag-vlog. Hi! Hi! Hi, kuya! Yun lang, bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Hi, hello! Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? Una sa lahat, mula dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, Philippines. Nais kong ipaabot ang aking taos-pusong pagbati sa inyo, TJ and May. Ito ang araw ng inyong kasal. Congrats and best wishes. Masasabi ko lang na puno kayo ng inyong pamilya. Kung meron man kayong hindi pagkakaunawaan, kailangan ng pasensya ang bawat isa. Kung meron mang desisyon, kailan alam nyo pareho. Halimbawa, gusto nyo mag-anak ng 5 o pataas, pag-usapan nyo. Joke lang. Kaya nyo naman ang buhay. Alam ko, kaya nyo ang buhay. Yun lang. Congrats ulit. Sana magkita naman tayo pag uwi mo ng Pilipinas. Huwag mo akong kalimutan daanan. Nandito lang ako. Ilang taon na tayo hindi nakita. AJ, baby, pasala din naman ako. Yun lang. Tika. Pahabol. Tika lang. Binabati kita, May. Ito pala, birthday mo ngayon. Birthday mo pala ngayon. Sinabay mo pa sa inyong kasal, bungang-bongga yan. Sana maging masaya kayo. Masaya ka sa araw na ito. Alam mo nung masaya ka naman pa. Ayun lang. Ingat kayo. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Sana magkita-kita tayo. Bye-bye!
Hi, TJ and May! Congrats on your wedding day. Ito lang ang masasabi ko sa inyong dalawa. Ang inyong pag-iisang dibdib ngayon ay sana puno ng ligaya at maghahari ang pagmamahalan yung dalawa. Dapat magpasensyahan kayo kung ano man ang pagsubok na darating sa buhay nyo. Magkaunawaan kayong dalawa at higit sa lahat, pasensya. Happy birthday pala, May! And hi to Baby Del Braille. Ikaw na naman ang susunod, kaya get ready. Bye!
Hi, G and May. Congratulations. Ang masasabi ko lang ay sana ang kasal nyo ay maging simula ng isang buhay na puno ng pagmamahalan at kaligayahan. Kung ano mang pagsubok na darating ay dapat magkaunawaan kayong dalawa. Again, congratulations and happy birthday, May. Shout out pala kay Bibi. Hi, Bi! Miss you and God bless. See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Hi, guys! Hi to TJ and May. Best wishes on your wedding day. Congrats to your marriage life. Hello, everybody! Shout out to Baby Del Braille.
Happy birthday, May. See you soon.
TJ and May, congratulations on your upcoming wedding. May the love you share today grows stronger as you grow old together. And May, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and may God bless the both of you. Warm greetings from the Philippines. Bye!
Hi! To TJ and May, congratulations. I hope may the Lord God bless on your marriage life, bless on your marriage day, and best wishes to both of you. And I hope you will be having an amazing life together, a life full of love, joy, and happiness. Again, congratulations. Before I end up this video, I like to greet May a very happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your day. Regards to everyone. God bless.
Hi TG, hi May. This is it. So I just wanted to take this opportunity to say congratulations and best wishes in advance. And I'm wishing you both a lifetime full of happiness and love as you begin this journey together. And I hope you guys enjoy your big day, and happy birthday in advance, May. Again, congratulations guys.
Hi, TJ and May. Congratulations. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Malanggit. And also, happy birthday, May. Ingat always. Take care. Basta, amping, ingat palagi. Ingat palagi. Ingat kayong dalawa palagi ni TJ. Ingat na malakas yung pangatawan nyo. Thank you, goodbye. Ito yung dagat namin, no?
Hello guys. Hello Canada, hi. Kay TG and kang Min. Congratulations advance guys to both of you on your wedding day. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Malanggit. Wow, I'm so excited. Anak gyud, di ba? So mag-anak din magdaghan para bibo happy family. And especially happy birthday to me. Advance happy birthday. Okay? Stay pretty. Love you all. And lastly, shout out to my cousin there in Canada, especially to Manang Jinky. Shout out to you, Manang Juby, Lalang Christian, and Pedino, and also Baby. Hello guys, mama chup babus. That's all.
Hello guys, kamusta ko dyan? Especially to TJ and May. Advance wedding guys. Tingnan man sad ni May. Advance happy birthday. Congratulations kaninyong duha May, TJ. Musta sad kayo dyan? Akong mga pamangkin, Jinky, Joby, love you.
Hi, hello. Kamusta TJ and May? Congrats. Wishing you a lifetime of love and happiness. Happy birthday din sa iyo, May. God bless. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Hi TJ and Min. Congratulations to both of you. Soon to be Mr. and Mrs. Malanggit. And happy birthday, Min. We miss you sa tanan ninyo din ha. God bless.
Hi TJ. Congratulations to ikaw og si Min sa inyong umaabot nga wedding, og labi na gid sa inyong birthday ni Min. Congratulations gapon and happy birthday and happy wedding sa inyo. Umaabot sa inyong happy wedding. Si go mo dia kay inyo maging nangakuan nga ma-wedding mo. Di okay ra. Og shout out po sa akong mga pagmangkon, si Ubing, si Jennifer, shout out si Jubing ni Ipera. Shout out sa akong mga pagmangkon tanan diha sa kuan, sila sabi si Bibi. Akong pagmangkon. Maapo na ako si Bibi. Shout out. Namura dayon matong ni Berling. Hello TJ. TJ, happy birthday.